Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 3884 Chatham Lane in Canandaigua. This is a designer showcase ranch home with scenic pond views. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. This is an entertainer's dream with a phenomenal open floor plan. Featuring a cathedral ceiling great room with a designer white and bright kitchen with a tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops with a serving area, an expansive center island with a Blanco sink and breakfast bar. Open to the living area with built-ins and a cozy gas fireplace. And dining area with beautiful hardwood floors, all with deck access and those scenic pond views. Enjoy waking up in the waterfront view owner's suite with a picture window, walk-in closet, and spa bathroom. The first floor also features a second bedroom with hardwood floors with an adjacent full bathroom and laundry. The finished walkout lower level provides exceptional additional living space with a light and bright family room, pond view bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom, great storage, and access to the private patio. Enjoy maintenance-free living with this newer home that features beautiful architectural detailing, vinyl siding, and windows. This premier pond view lot is perfectly set up to enjoy nature and the outdoors, with a maintenance-free deck with an awning for shade, a lower-level sun patio that is complemented by gorgeous landscaping and scenic pond views. Chatham Lane is a premier Canandaigua neighborhood of fine homes with scenic common areas with walking trails, plus minutes to Canandaigua and Canandaigua Lake.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3884 Chatham Lane in Canandaigua, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!